Tired of scratching the floor every time you move the couch? I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner. Stay tuned and we'll talk about furniture moving that's easy on the floors and your back right after this. Got any tools on your Christmas list? You're in luck this year. Today's homeowner has teamed up with Woodcraft to provide one lucky winner $1,000 worth of tools and woodworking supplies. Now through December 15th, enter the Tools Under My Tree giveaway at todayshomeowner.com/giveaway to win a $1,000 Woodcraft gift card. Again, it's very easy to enter. Just log on to todayshomeowner.com/giveaway. With the holidays approaching, there tends to be a lot of rearranging and shuffling in many homes. So here are a few tips to get the job done without calling a floor refinisher or the chiropractor. Try gluing bunion pads onto the bottom of the feet of tables and chairs so that they can be moved easily without scratching the finish on the flooring. For heavier furniture, try using a piece of plush carpet under the legs piled side down or a heavy blanket to create a cushioned moving surface. If you don't have bunion pads, extra carpet, or a blanket handy, slip some heavy socks onto the feet or place each leg into a shoe made from the bottom half of a milk carton. The furniture will slide easily and your floors and back will thank you. I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner.